Hello everyone, just would like to give you an update for Chemistry 210 class. We just finished our first week of summer class. So for the lecture, currently we are on chapter 3. Start talking about mole to mole ratio now. So make sure you review your chapter 1 and chapter 2, especially your chapter 2, your naming the compounds. Make sure you can master naming the compound. Chapter 3 and Chapter 4 are critical for this first unit test, which will take place on Tuesday, June the 30th. I will send out the more updated information for that test, and I will provide you a review sheet for that test. To the lab portion of this class, we did chemistry safety, we talk about accuracy of beaker, we talk about analysis of different glasswares. When you turn in the lab report to me, make sure you specify what lab section you belong to, either AX, BX, or EX. Cengage online homework, once you click that assignment Cengage, will prompt you to the registration process. You should register as soon as you can. Once you are on the Cengage, you should be able to see all the due dates. If I do it correctly, the due date should be, the time should be at 11:59 Pacific time. So don't miss the due dates. You're going to be penalized if you turn your assignment late by 30% your grade. On the canvas, under the assignment section, you can see upcoming assignment for simulation activity. I assigned 10 simulation activity. They may not be closely related to what the labs will be doing, and just hopefully this simulation activity could be a supplemental to your understanding on the chemistry lab. So once you click on it and do those activities, and computer will give you a grading here. Each simulation activity is going to be worth 10 points. So there will be 10 assignment times 10. So total simulation activity will be 100 points out of our 800 point scale. So the entire assessment for this class going to be midterms and final, and going to be a lab report, and going to be a Cengage online assignments, and also the simulation activities. Please do not fall behind. Our mission here is to teach you, to help you, and LISMA tutor is available for you as well. So please go contact them. And if you do need to see me, I do have a weekly Friday morning at 9 o'clock for my office hour. So come to visit me, and there's a link on I send out to everyone. So be happy and stay healthy, study for this weekend. If there's something you need to catch up, this is a great weekend to catch up. You're still not too late. All right, we haven't have our first test yet, but just remember, this is summer class. We tend to go a lot faster. So by the end of the second week, I definitely will finish chapter 4. So study hard, have fun. We'll see you on Monday. Thank you.